Hello, welcome back to the Hot Pink channel. Thank you for coming back and tuning in with your girl, Landy. Today I have something very interesting and very you want to know this. So for all the marketers out there looking for extra income, all the affiliates out there that have been starving, looking for something that's going to work for them, what's going to work for me, this, in my opinion, is the beginning of transcending money, the system of money itself, okay? I always, on a spiritual tip, I always wonder, like, how are we going to transcend money? And they're like, oh, it's time to transcend money. Like, how? Well, this is, I feel, in my heart, one of the ways, okay? This method is brand new. You want to get on it right now. You want to call this number right now. Yes, call the number right now. This is your lick. This is your blessing. This is your way. This is not even joining a new niche or nothing. You're not like skipping over. This system is going to help you with all your links or affiliates, offers. It's by far killing the game right now. You don't want to make a second more. I don't think I've ever spent my money faster, okay, like literally. And I mean, if you know anything about this industry, I mean this field, affiliate marketing, then once you hear about this system, then you'll know why it's so buzzing everywhere right now. But what you don't want to do is wait, okay? Not just saying that as like a sales tactic. You don't want to wait, okay? Call this number right now. Do not wait. Call the number, call the number, call the number. This is your gift for your journey of affiliate marketing. This is your boom, okay? This is it. So I will see you on the other side. Call this number now. I ain't even gonna say nothing else. Call the number if you want to see what's up.